Hello guys, welcome to my channel Archer Infotech. Today we'll see how to download and install code blocks and how to use it to type and execute the C++ program. To download the code blocks, just open the Google and search for the code blocks download. Click on the www.codeblocks.org/downloads and under downloads click on download binary releases. So there are different options for different operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Now we are using the Microsoft Windows. There is a fourth option, that is CodeBlocks 20.0.3 with MinGW. Click on sourceforge.net, save the download. Okay, so I'm getting this message because I have downloaded it already. So right click on the downloaded set of file, run as administrator, click on next, I agree, and again next, and click on the install. If you want to install it in a default location, if you want to install it in another location, then choose the concern folder. Okay, I am installing the default location. So while installing, you will get the shortcut over here. Now when installation completes, you will get two different messages, that is GCC is detected, and while that you have to click on next and finish. So just click on OK and choose the file associations, then click on create new project. After that, select console application, click on go, click on next, select the language C or C++, click on next, type the project name, and after that select the folder where you want to store the project. Click on select folder, so you will get the folder or path where you want to save the project. Click on next. Okay, you will get the default compiler GNU GCC compiler. Keep all remaining settings as it is and click on finish. Under project explorer, click on source and click on main.c. You will get the default welcome program. Just press Ctrl and scroll. The font will be increased. You will see the stdio.h and stdlib.h by default import included over there. So in a welcome program, int main is there, and within opening and closing curly brackets, hello world, the message displayed on screen here. Return 0 is returned to OS, which indicates successful execution, and int is a returning type. Just click on build. You will get the process terminated with status and 0 error 0 warning, and then click on the run. So you can perform both operation using the build and run button. So when you click, you will get the hello world message. Now if you want to add any comment, then single line and multi-line comments are there. 2/ indicates the single line comment, which is not considered as a part of, not considered as a instruction, therefore it will be executed correctly. And if you want to execute it without the comment, then it will indicate the error. So by default, when 2/ are there, then it is in gray style, and when you use the 3/, it is in a dark blue. So multi-line comment is there, where /*/ is there, where you can write multiple lines as a comment. Okay, so here I am writing the details. Okay, see, in this case, if /*, that is a starting comment, at the start there is starting comment /*, then the comment displayed in a gray style. Okay na? And if you use multiple stars, then again it is dark blues. Okay na? Now suppose you want to write one another program over here in a same file, then just keep all things as it is and remove the closing and write it at the end. Okay, and after that write int main, and in that int main you write your code. The inclusions are there as it is. Okay, so if you want to separate the code, then use these kind of dash. Thank you very much.